Tears swell up in the eyes of the dark gray clouds. They spill out onto the cheeks of earth in careful, gentle streams. Concealed under the shadow of my umbrella, I can hear the music of steady drops of rain, falling against it and slowly sliding off. Reaching out from under my umbrella, beads of rain feel cool against my skin, awakening memories from the past and thoughts about what lies ahead. As I listen to the rustling from clouds above, looking at the puddles on the street, I see a different world beneath my feet, just before they submerge into it. There's peace and tranquility after the rain. Rain-kissed leaves glisten as the sun comes out, and the air smells fresh. My spirit is left cleansed and renewed.